I'm trying to make this. Wait, let me see. This, but I have been working on it, and it looks like this. Yeah, I just noticed that I put on the tail upside down, so I'm gonna keep on working on that. I'm using this. I do this. So let's see. Okay, I do it this way. This is as best as I could do. Yeah, I did this all on my own. This is not even a real hammer because we're at work. So this is the best thing to do. I wish I could do more.
Yeah, that looks like a hamster.
Austin said it looks like a hamster. I wish I could do more, but I just can't. It's not letting me. Austin, you're making a mess. There's nails. Yes, and I'm working with real nails. So be cautious. I am 9 years old. I am cautious about this. This little guy over here. Can you show your face, Austin? This little guy, he is 5 years old. So yeah. Yeah, I just pushed him out of the way. Okay, let's see the other instructions. Without the instructions, I would really do not know what to do. Let's see. And I recommend a grown-up to help you. My mom here is busy. So let me see. So I'm doing this. Okay. Let's see. Did I get all of them right? Okay. I have been on step 1. Whoops, sorry. On step uno. That means 1 Spanish. This whole time. I'm finally gonna go to step 2. Okay, let's see. Step 2. Okay, we have to get the wings. Wing time! The wings are a little broken because Austin here, he broke them a little. Yeah, this guy. Okay. I don't know if it's like this. Yes, it's like this.
Yeah, it's like that.
Okay, I'm gonna get some tiny nails.
Yeah, because we confused it.
Wait, let me see if it's tiny nails. Yes, tiny nails.
Go on the hole.
Where the? Oh, there they are. Yeah, we're gonna cut ahead of the video. Just gonna cut ahead. Okay, bye.
Hour later.
Yeah, I really just haven't started. I really hope I don't cut my fingers off. Okay, I'm just gonna cut ahead. It'll be like a snap to you guys. I realized I have to take off the wings and put this more. Because look at this. Look at that. I have to at least try to put it more. It is not letting me. See?
Because you have to
So I'm going to try to do this.
That's taking forever.
Yeah, this is made probably out of metal. Yeah, I really don't want to hit it that hard. So,
And that's magnet too.
So, nope. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do this. So yeah. Look what I have done.
You want to do it?
No. I did this, and there's one arm up here. Can you stop?
I hear broke his wings.
From this, it's like a little cutout thing. So I was hammering it. It can't go all the way in. You see that? It's like this part. So this goes up and up. It goes down and up. Oh man, I'm just playing with this thing. So I'm gonna do the other arm. Okay. Wait. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I just don't. Okay, so I'm going to hammer the other one in, and I'm gonna see what else I'm gonna have to do. So, yeah. This did not go as well. You see the nail went a little bit that way. So, yeah. And this fell out, so I had to hammer it again. But no, I don't want mine. So let's see what is the next step. And I hurt my finger tons of times. It's hot. Okay. Let's see. What else? Okay. Let's see. Oh. No, we have to do it again. I mean, no. I'm talking about.
This is yours, not Jada's.
Now we have to do the leg. Yeah, and this is way harder. Both legs.
No! Not yours.
I'm gonna edit later. Okay. So this was a fail, but I'm gonna keep on going. Yeah. We're gonna learn. Okay. Let's see what's next. Oh gosh. I just realized this doesn't stand. Well, it kind of does, but the legs are uneven. Maybe from the wrong way. Just gonna let it. Yeah, it's gonna be like this. Yeah, look, it's gonna be like this. Look, yeah, but I'm sorry, okay? I can't do things right. Oh, that's how you were supposed to do it? You thought you were supposed to do it like this? Oh. So you just did it wrong. You lied to me. Oh, I did this wrong. No wonder it wasn't fitting. No wonder. Well, too late now. Can't do it. Well, let's keep going. I can't stand up. It's okay, man. Are you gonna start crying now? Just start it. Where is? Oh, I mean this. I need this. Because you didn't know where I was heading. Yeah. So let's see. Austin, careful. We're gonna put like the thing that used to. Okay. Like, so let me do this first. I give me a thing that I put back in there.
Not right now.
Why? So is it like this? I need a clipper, like so I put it back in here. Like this. Okay, I'm gonna do that. So give me a sec. This has fallen out many times. This has fallen out a lot. I have to start over again. And if I put a nail in this hole, this one right here, not the bottom one, this one right there. This. Under it will go through. So I guess no nail fish. On this side, it's been very easy on this side, but on this side, nightmares. Yeah. I have to do this again. Okay. Okay, the leg actually was not too hard, but the problem is the head. How am I gonna do this? Yeah. How? But the leg was not too hard at all. Now that I'm saying that. Now the head. I have to do this all over again. Okay, actually way faster than I thought, but I still have to do that. Yeah, so it's going to connect like this. But I need to screw it on a little right there so it could connect. Say, hurt yourself. My arm hurts so bad. I did this so much. I did both sides. Now I have to fill in this part. I'm going to get the dragon
And yeah, because
and
you're
do this.
going to have to hammer it.
Oh, I thought it wouldn't fit. Yay! It would be so cool if we could just leave it like this. It would be so cool if we could leave this so it can move its head, but
Because you need like a nail.
yeah, but
And then
you
after
can just stop and leave it like this and put on the stickers.
Yeah.
And they can move its head and then you shoot it.
Yeah.
Dead. What?
Put this already on.
Okay, but wait, I'm trying to make a video, man. Austin, you're gonna hurt yourself. Okay. So let's see. So it's gonna be like this. No, it's wrong way. Wrong way, Nyla. Wrong way. Okay, like this. It's gonna be like this. Whoops. That's probably why.
It's gonna be like this, and then
Okay.
his head just fell.
I don't know if it's like this or like this. I'm just gonna put it like this.
So you
Oh.
hammer it.
Yeah.
No, it can't go.
What the heck?
What the heck
Okay,
is
but I'm
wrong
gonna
with
do it
you?
like this. Okay? So I'm gonna hammer it. Yeah, and I just made it. So this side. So this side, I hammered this in, but not this side yet. And it's a little wobbly because like you can move its head a little. It's probably because I didn't put this too tight, but maybe it will change once I put it in here. Maybe. We don't know yet, but we will try.